Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see part 4, that is writing skill. Part 4, writing skill. Standard 8, writing skills. Chapter 1, paragraph writing. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a set of sentences expressing related ideas on a given topic. That means you will be given a topic, okay, and you have to write the sentences expressing related ideas. That means you have to make the ideas and you have to relate it and you have to write it. Format of a paragraph. Broadly speaking, a paragraph may consist of 10 to 12 sentences, but the length may be vary depending on the content of the topic to be covered. So dear friends, they will give you the topic, okay, and then you have to think over the topic and then you have to extend the sentences. Essentials of a good paragraph. Arrange the ideas and facts in this sequential order, okay. Arrange the ideas and facts. That means whatever you know about the topic, you have to arrange it sequentially. Then maintain logical linkage of ideas in information. Avoid stereotyped or hokinate expressions and irrelevant information. Then frame simple and short sentences. Ensure grammatical accuracy, correct spelling, and appropriate punctuation. So model example 1. First topic is ours, different types of kites. So you have to write on the kites. Now see, kite flying is an event which is closely associated with the western region of India. Now western region, where it comes in Gujarat. So we'll see, mainly Gujarat, okay. So this festival of kites is celebrated where? In Gujarat. So now when you talk about kites, automatically you will remember Gujarat. Why? Because the kites festival is mostly celebrated in Gujarat. There are different types of kites, okay. So the topic is given, how much you can write, that much you have to write on the topic. There are different types of kites such as paper kites, motorized kites, fiberglass kites, and then box kites. Paper kites are the most traditional ones, made from colored paper and stuck onto a light wooden frame. Motorized kites are those flown with a help of a remote control device, whereas fiberglass are made from the fiberglass material, which is stiff and strong edge, quite light, and hence suitable for flying. A box kite is a high performance kite noted for developing relatively high lift, which is a type within the family of cellular kites. This typical design has four parallel struts. The box is made rigid with diagonal cross struts. There are two cells of ribbons whose width is about a quarter of a length of a box. The ribbons wrap around the ends of the box, leaving the ends of the middle of the kite open. In flight, one strut is the bottom and the bridle is tied between the top and bottom of the strut. The dihedrals of the cells help stability. Okay, so this way you have to write the you have to write on the topic, okay, on the topic. So first topic is ours, different types of kites. Now here is International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad. Okay, so first, what was the topic? Moral example 1, different types of kites. Okay, different types of kites. Now see, dear students, they have given only one topic, that is about kite, okay, about a kite, how you have to write, they have arranged and shown you. Okay, arranged and show you. So model example first, different types of kites. So first how you have to write about the kites, then International Kite Festival at Ahmedabad where it is celebrated. Okay, then third will come the Kite Bazaar of Ahmedabad. Did you get it? That means you no need to write again and again the topic, but how you have to write, they have shown you. So there is exercise, write a paragraph in about 80 to 100 words of each of the following topic. So first is the bounty of nature. So how you will write first about nature, you will introduce how is the nature. Okay, then you will write about the nature. Okay, about the nature what is created, and then third exercise you will write then how about the plantation and the what you see in the nature. Second is a plant kingdom, and third is the need for recreation. So dear students, these are the exercise. Make a separate book for each, for your all writing skills. Okay, and then try to write or write about this all three topics. And when it will come for the I will be giving some exercises from here, so you will solve it and go through this first exercise, second and third exercise, how you have to write it. Okay, thank you.